Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this structured sleeve. Now you can make it bigger, longer, however you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be this measurements that I used, so just use whatever measurement works for you and works for your clients, however the person wants it, big, large, long, whatever. So this is just like the basic process of making a structured sleeve. So that's why I'm giving you guys this tutorial. Let's get into it. So guys, first off, you're going to cut out your fabric. Now this fabric I have here is about 20 inches by 10 inches. That's what I have right here. And what I'm going to do now is fold it into two along the 10 inches side. So can you guys see what I've done right here? Fold it into two, and then I'm going to just sew along this open edge using 1/2 inch. So I'm going to sew it down right there so that I can have a tube basically. Now guys, this is what it looks like after sewing, and I'm going to just turn it inside out just like this. Now that I've turned it, I want 2 boning channels on my sleeve. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to sew down at one side and the other side using 1/2 inch. So can you guys see how I'm demonstrating it? On one side 1/2 inch, on the other side 1/2 inch. On the center I'm not going to do anything, but if you also want more structure basically, you can also sew 1/2 inch on this center as well, so that you can have some reinforcements basically. Now guys, can you guys see I have sewn it 1/2 inch on one side, 1/2 inch on the other side. And now I'm going to just take my boning, and then what I'm going to do is just basically insert it. So you're going to make sure you're inserting it to about 1/2 inch before you get to the end. So make sure you don't get to the end with the boning basically. So just put it there. Then at the top as well, you're going to remove 1/2 inch as well from the measurement. So you're going to have whatever you have on your fabric minus 1 inch. So can you guys see it folded? It's already taking shape basically. So I'm going to put boning on this side and on the other side as well, so that it can have that structure that I need. You can also put in the middle, like I said again. You can put your boning in the middle, as many bonings as you want, depending on the type of like design that you're looking to get. So all you need to do is just create the amount of boning casings that you really need. So guys, once the two are already inserted, it's time to now close up the open edges. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to make a zigzag design basically. So make it a zigzag just like I'm doing right here, and then I'm going to just sew it down at that spot.
Retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name all over.
And now to hide my raw edges, what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to take this appliques basically. I love these appliques because they would hide everything basically. So I'm going to just place it on it like this, or I can even just take that one applique, depending on how big your applique is, and just fold it just like this and sew it down right there. So once I sew it down, it's going to hide every raw edge. And guys, here I have sewn it. This is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. Now all I have to do is sew it on my dress or top, or even add press buttons basically, so that they can be detachable from the top that I'm making. I want to use it for my Victorian corset that I made in this fabric, so I'm going to put press buttons basically so that I can easily attach it or remove it depending on my mood basically. It's going to look really beautiful. So that was why I made this amazing structured sleeve for that corset in particular. I'm going to put the tutorial on how to make it very soon on my channel, but I feel like that particular one is going to be a membership only video, so you guys should join in as a member because it's amazing. You don't want to miss that tutorial basically, so join in as a member so that you can get to watch that particular video. And guys, if you tried this method out that I've taught you guys here, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my amazing followers, and even here on YouTube as well. Our community is growing and I'm just so excited basically for the future. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle, join in as a member, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.